Welcome students to SUNYA IAS. So guys, we are launching today a very important course, that is NCERT Bridge Course. Now this course is titled as AARAMBH, which is the beginning of an IAS preparation. You can understand from the name itself that NCERTs form the start of an IAS preparation. If you have asked your seniors, they must have recommended to you that start reading the NCERTs from class 6 to class 12. That is the general suggestion from them. But over a period of time, guys, we have met multiple aspirants which are mainly categorized in these two categories. One is that category which believes that NCERTs are a waste of time and they just stick to the advanced textbook. That's it. On the other hand, there are other aspirants too who spent around 4 to 5 months in covering the NCERTs from class 6th to class 12th page by page. Now, is that much time required actually? All these things, how to cover the NCERTs, how we are covering the NCERTs, that forms the philosophy behind AARAMBH. AARAMBH not just only recognizes the importance of NCERTs. I'm pretty sure which most of you believe that NCERTs play a very important role. Those who don't believe that, for them, let me tell you that 30 plus questions in prelims come directly from the NCERTs. And for Prelims 2022, we have prepared such document which you can find in our description box for this video. But at the same time, at SUNYA IAS, we also realizes the importance of time. Time optimization is very important key. And that's why we believe that giving 4 to 5 months on just NCERTs is too much of time. And that's why we have tried to optimize the NCERTs in around 150 hours. That will be maximum taking 2 months of your time. So how we have designed our course, let me give you the idea behind that. Obviously, we are going to cover the class 6 to class 12th old plus new NCERTs. That is the minimum which we are providing. But if I talk about the methodology of covering these NCERTs, guys, that is different. We are not going to cover the NCERT class-wise, like class 6th, then class 7th, then class 8th. That is not at all required, guys. That is simply duplication of effort. And there is no, or I would say there is more of time wastage if we read the NCERTs in such way. Why? Because if I talk about, take any topic of history, like suppose if it is there in class 8, it will be repeated in class 10th, and then it will be repeated in class 12th. Now, if you read these 3 NCERTs of same topic, same chapters, are you going to learn more? I would say no. So that's why we are focusing on the topic-wise coverage of the NCERT. So if I talk about one topic, like suppose moderates, clear? Faculty is going to highlight that which chapters of which NCERTs have been covered for taking this particular topic. That will be mentioned. And this will be mentioned along with the downloadable PDF. You can download the PDF of those particular chapter in every video, so that in case some of you want to read the NCERTs, they can read just only these chapters which are covered by the faculty. Clear? This is how we are going to cover the NCERTs in the most effective manner, which is going to save your time. Clear? And very important, relevant content, for which SUNYA IAS is known for. Another important thing is, guys, validity of the videos. If I talk about, that is up to December 2023. So you can watch the videos anytime. They are flexible. You can watch the videos at any time. There's a flexible. And if I talk about the covering of the NCERTs, while there is topic-wise coverage, I need to highlight that it will be integrated approach. There will not be separately like prelims ke liye and mains ke liye different. No. Separately for prelims and mains. And for this, we'll also be discussing certain prelims and mains PYQ in the class so that you get an idea that how the questions are coming. Clear? Apart from that, there is a proper class schedule, the number of hours being allocated, which NCERT is to be covered, that is very objectively defined in our brochure. So if I tell you, you can see how we have allotted the time. You see, we have also covered Indian society, world history, because we know when it is given in the NCERTs, we need to provide you the content for that also. So this is just a sample which we have provided to you. Apart from that, you see subjects which NCERT is to be covered, that is also clearly mentioned. And let me tell you, we have done that much preciseness that the chapters, which chapters to be covered, that will be highlighted by the faculty whenever they are starting any topic, so that you get an idea. And again, I'm emphasizing you can download the PDF of the NCERT. Clear? Now, if I talk about the admission, guys, as I told you, while the validity of the videos is up to December 2023, you can watch the classes anytime. There's a complete flexibility to that. But I will insist that because at the beginning, we give you an early bird offer. So if you take an admission at the time of the launch, that will help you in saving some bucks. Now, how can you take the admission? You can take the admission by the admission link, which is given in the description box, guys. You can directly take the admission. Clear? And once you take the admission, within 24 hours, your portal and your classes will resume. And in case if you need any support, you can call on the number that is 8279 688 8279 688 595. And in case you want to message on Telegram, you can always message on Telegram t.me/SUNYA IAS. Clear? In case you have any doubts regarding the admission, apart from that, I have told you what we are going to cover, how we are going to cover. All these things have been answered through this video. So all the best, guys. Take care. See you in the classes.